In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this simple homemade date syrup recipe and how you can use it in your diet for massive hair growth. So if you're interested to learn how, then keep on watching.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Welcome to the channel, and I'm so glad you're here. This is the 9th episode of the Recipe Transformation for Massive Hair Growth playlist, where we are growing our hair one recipe at a time and one bite at a time. In celebration of Mother's Day, tomorrow is the final day to grab your copy of the Diet Transformation for Massive Hair Growth ebook at a 50% discount, where you can choose the ebook or the MP3 download, which comes with an exclusive resource page. This book not only helps you tweak your diet for massive hair growth, but provides solutions to the challenges we face as we grow older, like inflammation, digestive issues, impact of medication, chronic stress, and a whole lot more. So grab your copy today and take advantage of the Mother's Day 50% discount by scanning the QR code or the link in the description box. Well, today's recipe is homemade date syrup. But before we get into the recipe, did you know, according to research, just by switching your refined sweeteners to date syrup has the power to help lower your blood sugar, improve digestive health, and improve your overall health, which position your body to produce massive hair growth. And here's why. Dates are packed with fiber, potassium, magnesium, and iron. And here's even better news. You can easily use date syrup instead of refined sugars or fake sugars in your coffee, desserts, baked goods, pancakes, oatmeal, yogurt, salad dressing, and even your favorite beverages, marinades, glazes, and sauces. You're only limited by your imagination, but honey, don't let that stop you, okay? So let's get into the recipe. To make the syrup, I started with soft organic dates, and if your dates are more on the dry side and a little hard, you'll need to soak them in hot water for about 30 minutes to an hour and use that same water to start the recipe as follows. I use 2.5 containers of organic medjool dates, and you can use whatever amount you want. It just depends on how much syrup you want to make. This will make just about 1.5 cups, and I de-seeded the dates and cut them into quarters just to make it easier to extract the sugar while boiling. In a boiling pot, I use filtered water to cover the dates. Be sure to level the dates in the pot first so that you can add just enough water to cover the dates about 1/2 to 1 inch above the dates. Bring the dates to a boil, then lower the heat and simmer for about an hour. You want to keep an eye on the dates and stir occasionally because you don't want to let the water dry up. Next, using a cheesecloth to strain the date pulp from the sugar, and you want to let it cool for a bit, or you can use rubber gloves like I did because I tend to be a bit impatient sometimes. But if you do decide to use the gloves immediately like I did, still be careful as you can still feel the heat, just not as intense. As for the date pulp, do not throw it away because you can use it in a number of recipes, like the protein bar I made from this batch of date syrup. A link to that video is in the description box. The next step is to take the liquid back to heat, bring it to a boil, then reduce it to a medium-low heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. But you must be careful that it does not burn. This process will thicken the syrup. The longer you reduce it, the darker the color. So this is what it looked like So simple and tasty. And do know, as date syrup cools, it will get thicker. I'll place it in the refrigerator to let it thicken as it cools. And like I said earlier, do yourself a favor, make the switch. Date syrup is a healthier choice for your overall health and hair growth. Well, I hope that you enjoyed the video. Give it a like, leave a comment, share it with a friend, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe and ring the bell so that you'll never miss another video, because on this channel's playlist, we are growing our hair naturally, one recipe at a time, and one bite at a time. And I'll see you on the next one.